Bonjour, bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Moi, ça va très bien, merci. Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Anana. I'm so happy you could join our class today because we're going to learn all about sentences. And my friends, we're all here to learn. So you will see, we will have a fun time with Anana. Can you say bonjour, Anana, so she can join us? Bonjour, Anana. Oh, la voici. And Anana is saying bonjour back to you. Ça va bien, Anana? Oui. Are you excited to learn about sentences? Oui. C'est bien. So let's start. Ici, on va commencer par choisir une couleur. Alors, répétez les couleurs après moi. Rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, violet, rose, blanc, noir. Would you like to choose the color? Tu veux choisir la couleur? Ah, vert. D'accord, c'est le vert aujourd'hui. This series is called French with Anana, and this is lesson 4.14 O sound. Leçon 4.14 son O. Alors, on va commencer, Anana. Oh, do you remember the word for this delicious fruit? If you said orange, you are correct. Bravo! Orange. Now, when we write sentences in French, we're going to have to add some words. So if you go to the beginning of the sentence, that's the start of the sentence. Over here, I've added some words. Now, the word sentence in French is phrase, and the beginning is le début. Alors, moi, j'ai ajouté des mots au début de la phrase. So the new words are tu vois. Can you repeat that? Tu vois. And do you know what they mean? They mean you see. So the sentence is going to be about something that you see on the screen. So on this screen, it's orange. So the next thing we need to know when we write a sentence en français is we need to know the gender of the thing that we're talking about. So what is the gender? The gender is either masculine or feminine. And the way you figure it out is go right in front of the word orange and you'll see a little word with an E, and that means it's feminine. Une orange. So can you say that with me? Une orange. So that means that orange is feminine. Does that mean that an orange is a girl? No, it means that the word for orange is feminine. So let's say the whole sentence together. Toute la phrase. Tu vois une orange. Encore. We'll say it again. Tu vois une orange. Bravo! Now, do you remember what it means? It means you see an orange. Oui! Bravo! What a great start! Bravo! Oh, do you remember what this object is called? Stylo. Can you say stylo? Can you tell me if stylo is a masculine word or is it a feminine word? Do you remember what to do? Go over here. Oh, there's no E at the end, so it's masculine. Un stylo. Can you say that again? Un stylo. So stylo is a masculine word, masculin. Now, let's try reading the whole sentence. Toute la phrase au complet. Tu vois un stylo. Tu vois un stylo. Oui, bravo! Anana, is it getting easier? Oui, are you having fun? Oui, oh, I hope you're all having fun. On continue, les amis. Oh, regarde. Do you remember the French word for a sink? Lavabo. Lavabo. you tell me, is lavabo a word that is masculin ou féminin? On regarde ici, on dit un lavabo. So it is masculin. Un lavabo. Let's read the whole sentence. Toute la phrase. Tu vois un lavabo. Encore. Tu vois un lavabo. Bravo! Doing a great job. On continue. Oh, Anana. Oh, wow. Do you remember the name of these big animals? Oui. They are called rhinoceros. And I can see more than one. So we're going to say des rhinocéros. So the sentence is tu vois des rhinocéros. Qu'est-ce que c'est, Anana? Tu as une question? Oh, she would like to know what happens when you have only one. Un rhinocéros. Then you have to put the gender. Look over here. Un. So we know now that it's masculine because it's un. Un rhinocéros. Well, let's read the whole thing. Toute la phrase ensemble. Tu vois un rhinocéros. Encore. Tu vois un rhinocéros. Bravo! That was good work. On continue. Oh, regarde, Anana, do you remember? Do you remember what this object is called? Photo. Photo. And can you tell me, is photo a word that is masculin ou féminin? Oh, regarde ici, on voit un E, on dit une photo. If you said féminin, you are correct. Une photo. Now let's try the whole thing. Tu vois une photo. Tu vois une photo. Yay! Wow! You are doing a great job today. Oh, Anana, c'est une question pour madame. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oh, Anana, mon sac. Voici mon sac. Anana, qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? On va regarder dans le sac. Inside, dans le sac. Alors, on met la main dans le sac et Anana va aller chercher. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac, Anana? Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est, Anana? Oh, she's having a little bit of trouble. It's a little bit heavy for her. Un petit peu pesant? Oh, c'est une grosse orange. Wow. Now, do you remember? Is orange a word that is masculin ou féminin? You are correct. It is féminin. Une orange. And it's a big one. Anna is having trouble. She needs help holding it up. Oh, les amis, it smells delicious. Madame is going to have this for my collation. Je vais manger une orange pour ma collation. Maybe I'm going to share avec Anana. Les amis, I had a great time learning all about sentences. Did you have a fun time too? Oui, ça va? Can you say au revoir, madame? Au revoir, Anana? And I'm going to say au revoir, les amis.